Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to add more time frame to your MetaTrader 5 mobile. If you are using a phone mobile, okay, so this is how to add more time frame to your MetaTrader 5. First of all, if you click here, you're going to see M1, which means you are going to see M1, which means 1 minute, M5, which means 5 minutes, M15, 15 minutes, M30, which is 30 minutes. This is 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and so on. Okay, so now let's assume you want to add more time, let's say between M1 and M5. You want to see the you want to see the chart between these two. What you're going to do now, this is the default time frame that you're going to have. If you click anywhere, it's going to show you this time frame. So this is the default. What you're going to do is to come over here, you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring this option. So you click on this setting button here. So click on this setting. If you click on this setting, you're going to see that these ones that are highlighted are the default ones that comes with it. So these ones are highlighted. As you can see, they are all highlighted. Now what you will do, let's assume you want to add M2, M3, M4. Now by default, you cannot add more than 9, so everything here must be between 3 to 9. Okay, so if you want to add another one, what you're going to do is to remove one so that it can be able to add, you can be able to add, or you can always remove this tray if you want to add this tray. Okay, so now let's assume you want to add one. Let me remove this. So I hold it and then the highlights have removed. So now I'll go over to M2 and hold it. So now you can see that M2 is highlighted, which means I've added M2 to the to my time frame. Now let me go back. If you go back and you click on this time frame, you're going to see here that you have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 15 minutes. So now I now have 2 minutes. So the same way, if you want to add 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes, anyone you want to add in between, you can always do the same thing for you to add them. Now, so let's see an example of our 2 minutes. So we've clicked on 2 minutes. So this is a 2 minutes time frame. Now, if you want to still adjust this, you're still going to click the same place, click on the setting again, and hold it too. So once you hold it, you have unhighlighted it. So let's assume we want to add the 3 minutes time frame, or let's assume we want to add 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So now let's unhighlight this, let's unhighlight this, and then select this and this as well. So now let's go over and see what we have. So once you click on your time frame, as you're going to see, you have, what do you have now? M1, this M2, this M3, and this is M4. Okay, so these are the different time frames that you can add. So guys, as simple as that, that's how to add different time frames to your MetaTrader 5 if you are using a mobile phone. Please subscribe to this channel so that you see my next video. I promise you that I'll keep bringing a better video that you will need in your subsequent journey. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.